Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I rise, first of all, to support this amendment bill to try and manage the fuel cost out there. Honorable Speaker, with my 19 years experience in petroleum, because that's the industry where I operate, Honorable Speaker, the biggest challenges with many governments is not taking into consideration the oscillating nature of the global pricing of petroleum and petroleum products. Honorable Speaker, this is where our country, Kenya, has been trapped into. That most taxes and levies are increased during the downward oscillation. Honorable Speaker, it is this very House that did increase the taxes and the 7 shilling in the RMLF while we had a downward oscillation. Some of us did rise in this House and said, this is going to be a dangerous move once we have an upward oscillation. That is what we have currently. Honorable Speaker, I request that while this measure is in the positive direction, it should not be a temporary measure. Because if we are going to have it for 90 days and the oscillation goes downwards, what happens when it goes upwards? Will we be having such a bill every now and then? Honorable Speaker, also will request that the 7 shilling that was increased in 2024 in the RMLF also be considered and be withdrawn to ensure we cushion the Kenyan even further. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.